All right, we're back for our last video in Chapter 12, Determining Tree Biomass. It is easy to measure the diameter at breast height of a tree. It's hard to measure the total above ground biomass of a tree because to do this, you must cut and weigh the tree. The biomass is important for studies of ecology, so ecologists commonly estimate it using a power model combining data on 378 trees in tropical rainforests. Gives this relationship between biomass Y, measured in kilograms, and diameter X, measured in centimeters. Our equation's already given for us. Notice they took the natural log of both the X and Y variable in order to achieve linearity. It says use this model to estimate the biomass of a tropical tree 30 centimeters in diameter and show your work. I chose this problem because I wanted to take the time to focus on just the algebra. I know you guys have been doing really well working on the stats part of it, but it's probably been a long time since you've just done pure algebra like this. So we're going to take this equation, we're going to plug in our X, and we're going to undo the math using inverse operations to get our Y. So when I plug in X, we're taking the natural log of our X of 30. So I'm going to go to my calculator, and we have -2 plus 2.42. That was supposed to be a negative over there. -2 plus 2.42 times the natural log, which remember is over here on the left-hand side, times the natural log of 30. And we hit enter to get that part. Now, this is what the natural log is equal to. But we don't want what the natural log is. So we would have the predicted natural log of Y is equal to 6.231. But that's not what we're interested in. We're interested in Y. So we have to use the inverse operation to get Y alone, which is the exponential. So I'm going to do e to the power of that and e to the power of that. This is going to leave me with y hat. My predicted y value is equal to, and I'm going to put this in the calculator as well. So e is, again, over here on the side, right where natural log is, but I'm going to use a second function to get up there. So second natural log, and then second answer, which is at the negative button, is going to put in for me all of this stuff. And hit enter. Now that is my answer that I want. 508.211. Whoops. Then remember that Y was measured in kilograms, so we just throw a kilogram onto that and we are done. And that does it for this video. Thanks.